Alright, YouTube. Got this from on eBay. I can get you the part number if you need it. This thing was missing when I bought the fucking car. The thing is to remove this bolt here at 12 millimeters, 8 by 125, I believe. But thank God the owner left it on. And then slide this puppy over here. This thing's not 100% straight because you can tell this thing got to a little fender bender bullshit. First I'm gonna pull some bolts in here. Alright, I got this side done. Now I need to line this one somehow in some way. Alright, so the bolts are a little long. Hopefully they don't interfere or anything. If not, it's all good. I'll buy shorter ones next time. Then you grab your bottom one and stir it up just like so. Then you grab your little latch. I wouldn't take all this crap apart to remove the engine, but it is what it is. And just line it up, put the bolts in. I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, now everything's put in. I think the person forgot to give me the shit right here for the sensor, temperature sensor crap. This is what it is. Thank God I saved these from the 03 Tiburon. Just need to put these in now. Alright, that's how she is. In some way, somehow I need to pull this out because that little leg on the radiator side is not all the way in. This thing right here, I'm gonna have my guy help me out with the pull the front end a little bit. Hopefully she goes in. Now I gotta find this part because it's broken. The bolts I don't care because I already have them, so I just need to get the pin. I need to order that. Oh yeah, and I got the shifter bushings. So if you guys want to see me putting in aftermarket shifter bushings, I'll be doing that soon. I got the torque solutions coming in. Hopefully they're the same size as the 5-speed. And let's see, and just start ordering some more parts. Looks like she's more complete now. I'll see if she shuts fine. Yeah, she latches fine now. Alright, cool. Let's see these headlights. I don't know if they're gonna work or not. If they are, but they're not. Okay, I just need to get the connectors. That's cool with me. Like, I'd rather just have the connectors, not splice into it. I just ordered that shit too. That's how she looks right now. I can start putting the bumper on. I'll see what the hell the bumper. Just more work for me. Let's see. Let's grab the bumper. Alright, the bumper's on. I just need to know what kind of size nuts these are. Let's see. Because this thing's all truck on shit. Let's see if these bolts work. That I bought stainless steel. Okay, she works. And now I'm gonna put in the other one. Alright, now I need to find these nuts. Let's see if they're the same size as the bolts I bought. If they are, it'll be a little easier for me too. Yep, they are the same. So they're M8 by 125 threads. So I need to buy 6 of them. I'm just gonna buy a whole pack to make it a little easier. Let's see what else I'm missing. Alright, that's how she looks. And stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Drive safe and stay dirty.